Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Red Racing Industries. We're back with episode 28 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Now, today, as I work on logging in here, we're going to hop right into GT7 and get episodes 28 started. So I apologize, 28, not 8. We're not going back. We're going straight forward. Anyway, let's go ahead and hop right in. Welcome back, everyone. Here we are with episode 28 of racing every single track and every single car instead of Gran Turismo 7. Let's get this other camera powered back on. It turned off on us. Here we go. Let's get in here. Just waiting for it to connect. Perfect. And record. I'll once again figure all that out in editing. Here we go. So once again, episode 28. This is last and final stage 5 of all the tracks inside of Willow Springs. So we're heading back. America's, Willow Springs International Speedway, Quick Race, and Horse Thief Mile Reverse. Now, I've raced a few of these. Let's do daytime. I don't think that's the one I've done yet. So we got something just a little bit different. Here we go. They've got a few tracks over here on this little route. Now, do I know if they're all real? Not a clue. But at some point, we'll move to all the real tracks. But we will be doing as much of this series as possible. Now, I'm continuing to think about it. Now, we are going to continue to stick with racing every single car and every single track in here. And I don't know when that's going to end, because there's so many videos I can make. There's so many combinations possible. So to do this all by ourselves is quite a lot of content. I should theoretically never run out. But I want to bring you different sorts of content as well. So if there's something else you want to see, let me know. More than happy to make it. And as we continue to, pursue around the Type R, now we're barely, third way done, but we'll be heading into more working on getting into karting. We're going to do the kart next, and then we'll head into like GT4 and GT3 cars. That is, I ran him off the track. Oops. Anyway, here we go. But that is at least the plan for now. So if there is more, as I continue to think about it, more specifically. Now, if before we get done with the series on the Type R, if Gran Turismo hears me and adds the Porsche 944, I will be doing that before the kart. So that just depends. Hopefully, y'all do help me reach out to Gran Turismo and post it. I did post my 944, but I didn't tag Gran Turismo, I don't think, because when I posted it, I didn't think about it. So I do need to make another post and say, hey, Gran Turismo, put this car in your game. I just think it'd be awesome. I mean, it's such an old car. Obviously, mine's nowhere near ready. I mean, you can go check that out on my other channel at Caleb Red Official. Oh. That was my fault, buddy. Okay. That was most definitely my fault. Oh, and that too. I am just knocking them off the track like nobody's business. But in my defense, they're sliding like they're on ice. And they're in my way. There we go. Okay, this is last lap, of course, and we're almost done with it. Let's see if we can't get past the Ferrari. Nope. Okay. Too much there. Oh, did we just completely knock him off track? We did. Oh, he's right next to us. I didn't even notice he was right next to us. Maybe if I do this view. No, I don't see him. Okay, anyway. That was the last lap. There we go. that's it. Pretty easy. That ended Willow Springs. We're getting through the Americas a little bit. Could be a little bit quicker, but we're getting somewhere. Anyway, that ends episode 28 of Racing Every Single Track inside of every single car in Gran Turismo 7. As we continue to figure this out, it does become a little bit easier for me to make the videos, so hopefully there's a point where I'm making more than one a day. Anyway, I will see y'all on the next one.